In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a microphone and USB audio interface in OBS Studio. First, make sure your hardware is set up. Connect your USB audio interface directly to your computer using a reliable cable and plug your microphone into the interface. Most studio mics use an XLR cable, so check that it's firmly clicked into place. If you're using a condenser microphone, your interface may need phantom power. Look for a switch labeled 48V and turn it on only if your mic requires it. Keep your interface's gain knob at a low to mid position to start, and if possible, plug in headphones to the interface so you can monitor without delay. Now, open OBS Studio. OBS is the software we'll use to route your microphone into your recordings or streams. With OBS open, look toward the bottom of the window for the sources panel. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list, choose Audio Input Capture. Give it a clear name, something like Interface Mic, so you can identify it later. Then click OK. Clear names help you stay organized if you add more audio sources down the line. A Properties window will appear. In the device dropdown, select your USB audio interface. If you don't see it, make sure it's plugged in, powered on, and that any drivers are installed. Sometimes other apps can grab the device, so close any software that might be using the microphone and reopen OBS if needed. Once the correct device is selected, click OK to confirm. Next, speak into your microphone at a normal talking volume and watch the audio mixer panel in OBS. You should see the meter moving from green into yellow as you talk. Aim for healthy levels that peak around the yellow area without consistently hitting red. Red means clipping, which causes distortion you can't fix later. If your signal is too quiet or too loud, adjust it on the interface itself using the physical gain knob. This is the best place to set your level because it controls the clean signal before it reaches OBS. Raise the gain until your regular speaking voice peaks just below the red, then leave the OBS fader near 0 dB. Avoid using software boosts to compensate for a weak signal. That often brings up background noise. Once your levels look good, you're ready to record or go live with clear, consistent audio. Keep an eye on the meter during your session and make small tweaks on the interface if your volume changes. That's all it takes to connect your mic and USB interface to OBS Studio with professional results.